Alright guys, so today we're putting some LED headlights in my 05 Grand Cherokee, so 05 to 10. Even for replacing bulbs or whatever, it'll still be the same process. I got these, Autofather, cheapest ones I could find on eBay, because that's what I did in my 96 Grand Cherokee, and that was 2 years ago, and they're still working great. They're actually almost the same as the 16 Prius that we bought. Literally, there's not too much difference. The Prius, of course, has a projector headlight in it, so it makes it much better wider wise, but it's still amazing. So I'll show you guys how to put these in. So basically, you're just gonna grab this guy, and you're gonna he pops right off. He's got 2 clips, so just rip him right out, and then you're gonna reach in here and you're gonna feel the headlight bulb. So you're gonna twist that and you're gonna get him out, and then there's a little connector here. There's gonna be 2 of these down there, so we're gonna take this off and we'll save it for a rainy day because it's still good. Alright guys, you're gonna reach down in there, pull it up. I got my new HID light, and we're just gonna plug her in. Fits good. And then we're just gonna weave this stuff down in here, and we're simply just gonna twist it right back into its holder. And there we go. Alright guys, that's it. That's the install. You just gotta do that 3 more times, and this will be the same on any vehicle. So basically you just got to change the other one and then throw this guy back on top. Just make sure he's lined up in the holes, and you're done. Voila, you can see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll get you on the next video.